He's killed it.
No. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm trading words for wheel spin as my pro drifting friend Lewis is putting me through 4 stages of drift school. If I can't link 2 figure of 8s together, I'll be scrubbing his car. Let's go.
So this is my BMW E46 325. All that's been done to it, it's a Chinese special turbo, some bigger injectors, intercooler, oil cooler. Hasn't been on a dyno yet. I do intend on doing so, but hopefully it should be making around 3 to 350 brake horsepower. The thing I love about these cars is they are super easy to modify and super easy to turbo. You can buy the bits online really, really cheap and it's pretty straightforward to do. So we'll get in, we'll take you out for a little bit, see what you think.
Right.
And then we'll swap over and we'll get you to initiate a drift and then hold a nice clean donut around one of the mini roundabouts. And then we'll move on to getting you to transition that donut from one drift to another, and then hopefully by the end of it we'll get you doing some figure of 8.
And if not, then I need to get the bucket and sponge out, yeah?
I reckon he'll get the hang of it. I mean, I hope not, because then I get a free car wash.
Oh! I'm actually stuck. I think I've got it.
You got it?
There we go.
Happy days.
Right, can you drift like this? I feel like a fat kid that's been shut in a lift. I think that the apprehension comes from the fact that I don't know if I'm going to be any good at it, and it's completely different to anything I've done before. And also, I've got to go out in the passenger seat, and I'm not a very good passenger. Have we done the risk assessment for this?
Don't die.
Don't die, that's it, yeah.
And don't hit me.
Don't hit you, well, extra points if you do. That's got to be at least 10, isn't it? What's all the beeping about?
I mean, we got a Christmas tree dash because it's got nothing left on it.
What's the radiator light on? You've got...
Radiator light, lights, ABS, traction control, oil. Don't worry about none of it. Are you ready?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I'm trying to look at what you're doing, I can't see a bloody thing! Gordon Bennett!
We're just cruising, Tom! We're just cruising!
Shit!
Nothing to worry about! Nothing to see here!
Gordon Bennett!
Taking a leisurely drive!
Bloody hell!
And that's all she wrote!
And that's how you know when to stop, is it?
And that's when you give it a call in a day. Is when the tyres go pop.
Mate, I had no idea what to expect, but that was absolutely ridiculous!
Good fun, isn't it?
Jesus Christ! God, it stinks in here.
It does a little bit.
God, dear, it's like being in a bloody airport lounge in the 70s, man. Well, that is unbelievable how fast you're going into those corners. And it's the violence of when you yank the handbrake and it's just, you can feel it pitching.
You just have to disconnect your brain from steering with your hands to steering with your feet, essentially.
I want to have a go just to see how unbelievably terrible I am at it, but there's some work that you need to do first. That's the second one in, what, 5 minutes, 6 minutes of track time?
Something like that, yeah. All right, I'll go change the tyre then. All right then, see you later. It's like a Formula 1 pit stop, this. No messing around.
How much did this cost you to build, this turbo fucking monster thing?
All in, including costing buying the car, all the turbo bits, owes me a little over £3 grand. I mean, this car is no show pony, but it's the perfect example that you can get into motorsport without breaking the bank. I'd like to sit here and claim that I'm a master mechanic and I know what I'm doing, but in reality I'm an idiot with a toolbox. You know, everything you want to know about cars is out there on the internet, so whether you've got a project or whatever, have a go and see what happens.
For the purposes of entertainment and the viewers' enjoyment, I deliberately didn't watch anything on drifting before. I've got literally no idea what I'm doing. So this is down to how good you are as well. You know, like if I'm shit,
Right, it's my fault.
it's a reflection on your capabilities as well. Have you been a passenger in this yet?
No. Never.
Mate, so you're letting a complete novice into your car.
Problem is as well, I've taken out the Jesus handles. I've got nothing to hang on to.
It's a surprisingly elegant process if you're a mouse, this. Okay, so tell me what we're going to do. How are we going to, like, initiate a drift?
But it's help if you the car was running. We're going to slowly approach the corner, and to begin with, we'll keep it nice and simple. All I want you to do is steer into it, plant the throttle. Go for it. Well, we got it sideways.
Yeah.
We just didn't. We're meant to be over there.
Okay.
We're facing the wrong way.
Right. It chirps a bit. What's that?
Oh, that's nothing to worry about.
All right. Okay.
Right, here we go again. So turn in.
So give it a bootful and then just what? Modulate it.
Yes, and then you just want to feather that throttle. So turn into the corner and give it everything. And then feather. There we go. That's it.
Like that?
Just like that. That's how it's done. He's a lot better than he's meant to be.
So we've done a donut, which is good. Now, what are we doing?
So now what you need to do is, once you've come round that roundabout, is you, instead of keeping it coming round, is you then want to try and keep that car sideways, but as we're coming down the straight.
So as it turns out, I sort of skipped a few steps and I didn't mean to. So we got it sideways quite well. So the roundabout's going to be over here, but I'm going to be facing the wrong way.
Yeah, so you want to be facing the opposite way to what you're going.
Okay, so how do I turn it round?
This magic little thing here.
When you're pulling the hydro and the clutch in like that, so that's obviously one movement. Are you still on the throttle?
A little bit. You've got the idea of getting it sideways. You need, when you're clutch kicking, you need to give it some more revs so you can get them back wheels really spun up, and then she'll go sideways.
Right, okay. Let's try a transition.
Punch it.
Okay, so in here, and then what, clutch kick it?
Yeah, so as you get a bit closer, clutch kick and throw the steering. Now! There we go. That's it. And then, hydro. That's it. There we go. Try that. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Clutch. Hold it. Bit longer on the hydro.
Oh, shit, I can't find it.
Oh, you moved one of my tyres.
I know. Move that Could you do me a kind favour and move that tyre back in its place?
That's it. Keep it round, keep it round, keep it round. Right, straighten up this way. Keep it that way, keep it that way. Hydro. That's it. Keep round. Hydro again. That's it. We're nearly there. So you came on the hydro a bit too early, and we went a bit too far out of that roundabout.
I tell you what, when we get there and you want me to pull the hydro, give me a signal, like a real firm arm out.
Okay, no, so I'll do that, and then you get on the hydro.
Make sure it's not in the way.
Yeah,
so
I'll do that.
Just like do that, and then I'll pull the hydro.
Yeah, and then pull it long enough so until you feel the back end start to switch on you.
And then get back on the throttle to catch it.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Turn in, throttle, there we go. Now, bit more. That's it. Second one, come on.
No!
Yeah, so we got one.
We got one in. Right, we got one.
Come on.
We got one.
Nearly there.
Right. So I think we're getting there with transitions. Would you agree?
Yes, we're getting the idea. He's starting to sort of marry up his hands and feet and using the throttle to steer the car as such the steering wheel. So we're getting the idea of it. We managed one figure of 8. Hopefully he doesn't manage another one because I'd like my car clean. 3 attempts.
Okay.
To get a figure of 8. 2 figure of 8s.
Yeah.
If you get it wrong, I get a free car wash.
Yeah. If I get it right,
you can wash it and all if you like.
Okay. So this will be figure of 8-1, yeah?
Figure of 8-1. Go for it.
Is that one?
One. We nearly had it.
Nearly there.
We nearly had it.
Nearly two.
Nearly had 2.
So close.
Clocked it out on the last corner.
Right.
That's it. on, that's one. Hang on, that's 2 attempts. You've got 1 more left.
1 more?
Yeah, come on, Tom, no pressure. Get it in there.
That's all?
He's going to a donut! Big fat off donut! Go on, spin it round. Spin it round. Keep going round.
Mate, that was awesome!
Good fun, isn't it?
Mate, that's class! That was unbelievable. I can't tell you how much fun it was. Mate, thank you so much.
No worries at all.
That was mega.
I mean, you impressed me. You picked it out quicker than I thought you was going to. And I didn't get my free car wash.
Next time, I'm going to teach you how to drive on track.
All right,
How about
sounds
that?
good to me.
Mega. All right, look, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it as much as we've enjoyed making it. Click here if you want to see more content on the channel. Take care, and we'll see you again very soon.
Bye-bye. You've upset it.
It actually
it's
is having a wee.
He's killed it.
Oh, no.